definitely hear this hiss. Hopefully the engine not too loud. I definitely hear it hissing. Definitely hear it.